have the Nintendo Switch and I'll be showing you how to change TV resolution. So this is important, especially when you're connecting to a TV. You want your Nintendo Switch to look good, and so you might want to adjust the resolution. Now, sometimes you might want to turn it down because the resolution might be affecting speed. So here's how to change resolution. Go to System Settings. Under System Settings, on the left-hand side, if you scroll, you should see TV Settings. Tap on that, and then you should see TV Resolution. By default, that's set to automatic. So you can tap on that, and then you can choose either 480p or automatic. Okay, now 480p for most people is going to be horrible resolution, but in case it's affecting your frame rate, then you can just turn it down to 480p. But for most people, it's going to be on automatic, which basically means your TV resolution will adjust as soon as you connect your Nintendo Switch. It's going to adjust accordingly depending on the resolution of your TV. Thanks for watching and good luck.